What's up, YouTube? T-Bear here, back with another video. And I'm sorry I have been gone for 2 weeks. I've been under the weather. I've been wanting to post real bad, but my voice it won't let me do it. But I'm healthy now. It is September 13th. We are just around the corner from October, which is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. I have been getting sales on my Etsy shop for shirts with dealing with breast cancer awareness. Not only shirts, but hats too. But in this video, we're gonna design the shirt that's actually getting me the most sales. So that's what we're gonna do in this video. We're gonna go to Canva. I'm gonna rebuild the design, show you guys, put on a shirt, and see how you guys like it. So all that being said, let's get to the computer. Okay, guys. So now we're at the computer. As you can see, we're on Canva.com. We're gonna go ahead and create this design. I'm gonna go to logo. Logo default is 500 by 500. We're just gonna quickly resize that just to something big, so we can, once we download it, we can just edit down the size. But so we're just gonna do 2000 by 2001. Click resize, and now we're gonna get into this design. This design is very, like, you know, it's one of those designs that is very short and sweet and like just gets to the point, but also kind of grabs a person's attention. So I think that's probably why it's the hottest sale out of my breast cancer awareness designs that I have. I actually didn't think it would do as well as it's doing. I'm pretty sure it's probably gonna slow down once October actually hit, because people will already have their shirts then. But yeah, let's get into it. So the name, the design actually says "No one fights alone." I did not try to zoom in there. Let's add another text. Fights. And let's add another text. Alone. And make sure I had this where I want. All these kind of combined in. Alright, we're just gonna do I'll just do 260. I did not think that'll bunch up like that, but it's an easy fix. Okay, no one fights alone. The font is barren. And we're just gonna group this together real quick so we can move it all around. Actually, I think I want that a little bigger. Okay. No one fights alone. And I'm gonna go ahead and ungroup this. Now we're gonna add the boxing gloves to it. Canva have different elements, so with that, you can just go in here and just type in boxing and choose one of the elements that they have that, you know, just fits your liking. And this is the one that I chose. I hate that they have it like this. Alright, let me just move right out the way so I can get my boxing gloves down here. Yeah, 2 boxing gloves. Also, I had the breast cancer awareness ribbon. And did I have another text? No, I guess not. Alright. And for the time being, I'm just gonna put this ribbon over here for a second. Okay. Boxing gloves, they're gonna be same color as the ribbon. And we're actually going to take out, now that I remember, we're actually going to take out the F. And we're gonna take out the F and fight. No, we're gonna take out the I. We're gonna take out the I and fight. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, let's see. Where am I doing it? There we go. Oh, I can just click on it. And this is where this ribbon is gonna go. Move these out the way so I can see exactly how yeah, perfect. So we're gonna group these two together. We're going to go ahead and center this. We're gonna go ahead and center this as well. Alone, let's go ahead and center that. Okay, it's already centered, so we can just move that further up. And then the boxing gloves, we're gonna rotate those 90 degrees. We're gonna do the same thing with this one as well, but we're gonna have to flip this one. So let's go ahead and flip it horizontal. Now we have the two boxing gloves. Let's get them like maybe a little more space, like that right there. I'm gonna group those two together so we can center those. Make sure that everything is centered. Then we're going to just group everything. Okay, yeah, let's go ahead and. Oops, before I group everything, I have to ungroup the things that are grouped. Now I should be able to, there it is. Now I should be able to group everything and make sure everything is still centered. So this is actually the simple design that has been getting me the most sales so far with far as breast cancer awareness goes. And now we're just gonna download this. Transparent background. I'm gonna download it, and next, okay, well that's being downloaded. Okay, thank you so much, Kim. And now we're gonna go to, let's go to Printful. We're gonna put this on a shirt or a hoodie. So let's go over here to hoodies, and let's put this on this unisex premium hoodie that I did that nice review on. Pretty sure you guys remember that. Okay, so I'm gonna drop our design. I'm just gonna go over here and upload it. By the way, my next video I'll probably be showing you guys how to do designs like this, the reminder. I'm gonna have like reminder, alert, things like that to be on the shirt. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and upload our design. Where is it at? There it is. Okay, and we're gonna click it. It's probably gonna show up very large on the hoodie at first, but that's because, you know, we resized the logo, but that's gonna give it a green print file, and that's what you really want to aim for. We're gonna just upload this again because I don't know why it's taking so long. There we go. And of course now I want to upload twice. Anyway, paste it on there. See that good? That green? Yeah. The font is black, so we're gonna change the hoodie to white. No one fights alone. But also, if I haven't seen these on hoodies before. This is actually my first time seeing this on the hoodie. I have shirts and long sleeves, and now I'm actually thinking about hoodie because it's September. It's about to get colder. You know, the winter is approaching, so I still might do that. But since we're here in the middle of the video, let's just go back to Canva And let's just see what happens if we change the font to white. Let's just see what this looks like. I want to see what this looks like on a black hoodie, because I like black hoodies anyway. So let's just change these letters to white real quick. And make sure that didn't change anything. Okay. Now we're gonna download this. Transparent. I'm being nosy, y'all. Like, just want to see what this looks like. Have a feeling it's gonna look good, just as good as it does on the white. And if so, I'm gonna have to add that to my Etsy. Okay, so let's go back to Printful. And I'm gonna take this off. Let's go ahead and make this hoodie. Go ahead and make this hoodie black. And now we're about to upload the design with the white font. Where is it? Right here. Perfect, okay. Print file is still good, 167. And there you have it. Now you have black. Let's see what other colors. I don't like the gray. I like that. The white pops up good on that. On the gray, I'll probably do black font. Printful has like different little colors, but yeah, for these, I'll probably do black and then a charcoal heather. But okay, so let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and save this, and we're just gonna say breast cancer awareness. Okay, let's just save that. And here are some more designs I just have laid out that I'm gonna probably add to the store as well. This is my thyroid cancer shirt. And the reason the reason I'm doing thyroid cancer as well is because I don't have thyroid cancer, but I have issues with my thyroid, and my thyroid once got in a storm to where I ended up being in a coma for 2 weeks, and the doctors gave me a 15% chance of living, and I survived. So yeah, shouts out thyroid cancer. Now I'm just going to, okay, let's say you want to add this to your store, right? So, and this is what I do for Etsy. I can just quickly add the store, click on Etsy. Let's just take that white off, keep black and charcoal gray. They have your color selected. Proceed to mockups. Let's see what the hoodie mockups looks like. Okay, so you have wrinkle mockups on hanger. Do I do on hanger for hoodies? I think I do flat mockups for hoodie, but a lot of people go with wrinkle mockups and on hanger. But I think I do flat mockups. So let's just go to proceed to details. And this is what this is just going to transfer all this information to your Etsy account or your Etsy store. So breast cancer awareness hoodie already has like a little description typed up for you. You can add things to it. I usually, if I'm gonna do something with breast cancer, I'll probably say something about breast cancer, and then I'll probably say it like in this area, but still leave, you know, the default description as well, because people still want to know about your how the hoodie feels and the material of it and things like that. But also they need a reason as to why, you know, they should buy that hoodie. So, you know, you just kind of like have the best of both worlds with that right there. And then you can have your tags. So you have 13 limit on tags that you can type in. And for this section, this gonna be cancer awareness for my section. And we're just going to proceed to pricing. I can go ahead and fill these things out. I can fill these things out later. I just want to show you guys what you're going to see once, you know, you start doing your store. And then you have the pricing. It tells you what your profit is going to be. Yeah, this is just great. My hoodies, I think I do like $35 for my hoodies. Maybe 33. I'm not for sure. My profit isn't. I really don't go for high profit, but I mean that's totally up to you. It's up to you guys. So, and then we can just press submit to store, and then this, as you can see right here, adding new product to Etsy store. So, guys, that'll wrap up this video. I just wanted to show you guys that there are ways that you could make money from selling t-shirts. Print on demand is definitely a good way. You don't have to fulfill the orders or anything like that, or produce the orders yourself. I think the only con for doing this method is probably your profit margin, because it takes a little bit more for them to make the shirts and things, versus you getting a shirt and making it yourself. But time is money, you know, and you can really knock out some designs, post it, and literally make money today, you know, without the hassle of spending time on making each shirt. But hope you guys enjoy that video. More videos on the way soon. If you guys like videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.